Hi everybody, this is Beth McCullough and I blog at stampingmom.com. Thanks so much for joining me today. Can't wait to show you. This is the easiest box ever, even if you've never made a box. It's my king size Reese's treat box. And this is what fits inside. There's no sides, so it's super easy. It just slides right in. Who wouldn't love to receive this for Valentine's Day or their anniversary? Or if you've already done Valentine's Day, they also make the king size Reese's for Easter. So go ahead and watch and get ideas for what you're going to do for a sweet little Easter gift. Here's the template that we're going to use today. You need a piece of cardstock 6 by 6. You're going to go ahead and score that at 1.5, 2 1/4, 4, and 4 3/4. I decided to make this one with Flirty Flamingo cardstock. Then you also need some pieces of pretty paper or designer series paper. This one measures 1.5 by 5 3/4, and then you need 2 pieces that measure 1/2 inch by 5 3/4. And then you need some hearts or doilies to decorate the top of the box. So before you got on, I went ahead and scored my paper. Again, the score marks are 1.5, 2 1/4, 4, and 4 3/4. Then take your bone folder and burnish all the score marks. Later today, this video will be on YouTube, and I am trying to get enough subscribers on YouTube. I need 1,000, and then I'll start doing lives on YouTube. So I would appreciate it very much if you'd go over to YouTube and subscribe to my channel. It's called Stamping Mom. So now that I have burnished all the score lines, I'm going to go ahead and add all the adhesive. So I'm going to take this strip that's 1.5 by 5 3/4 and just put adhesive on the back. I'm using snail. And then there's a 1/4 inch border all around this piece of paper. So just eyeball it, line it up, and add it on. Now I'm going to add the other 1/2 inch strip. Hello, Linda Lace. I saw you called while I was getting this ready. Actually, I was on the phone when you called. I will call you back when I'm done with this. Can't wait to talk to you. Okay, so here's the other strip. So if you missed what we're making these Reese's king size treat boxes. Super sweet. Okay, after you have all the pretty paper adhered on here, you're going to take tear and tape and you're going to put it along this top edge. And then I find it's easier to actually form the box around the candy. So I'm going to take my paper piercer, rip off the adhesive, and then just literally form it around the candy. And then make sure you have the sides straight. This is super strong adhesive. Isn't that so cute? Now on this, I tape down the edges. It's up to you. Sometimes it looks cute sticking out. Sometimes I like to tuck them in. Now to decorate the box. To decorate the box, I use doilies. The red and pink doilies are white on the back side, so you could use any of these. All the products that I'm using today are from my Heart Suite Here's the pretty paper. Here's the punches and also the doilies. So from this paper, you can take your scallop punch. It's in the mini catalog right now. And just line it up alongside this heart. I already stamped Happy Valentine's Day on this one. And then you can take the other heart punch and you can punch out this beautiful heart, or you can just stamp something in the center. On this one, I stamped You're So Sweet, and that came out of the little ladybug set. On here, I put I Love Our Life Together, which is from Meant to Be. This is in the annual catalog. But then just pop your heart up. You can see where I put it on dimensionals. And then add a little adhesive down the center. And I'm just going to pop it up. So as you can see, it takes almost no time and it's so easy. Which one of these is your favorite? If you would be willing to leave a comment and share my video, I'll do a drawing from everyone who did that and send you the supplies so you can make your own king-size Reese's treat box. I will post the instructions in the comments below, and this will be on my blog probably tomorrow, for sure by Friday, and the video will also be up on YouTube. And like I said, I would love it if you would go over to YouTube and subscribe to my channel. And I have another thing to show you. Cards are such a blessing. My dear friend Denise gave me this yesterday, and it totally brightened my day. Isn't this beautiful? Look at the deer in the snow. It's so pretty. She wrote, Dear Beth, our Lord blankets you with his love and scatters his blessings over you, keeping you and all your loved ones in prayer. Denise. And then over here, Psalm 32:10, he spreads the snow like fine wool and scatters the frost like fresh ashes. Isn't this so pretty? It just made my day. And look, it's a fun fold. You will definitely be seeing this fun fold from me in the future. Kim, I'm glad you could join me. Here's the fun boxes I made today. They are for the king-size Reese's. They come in a Valentine version, and if you're done with Valentine's, they come in an Easter version, so you'll see more of these from me in the future. Please leave a comment and share the video, and I'll draw for someone to get the supplies to make the boxes. I love joining you here on Wednesdays. Thank you so much. See you next week. Bye-bye.